Hey, what's up, everybody? So today I'm here at the shop. So today we're doing the cattle trailer. When I bought it with some damages. Obviously, it was kind of faded and some road spots. All this was kind of gone, so we did some body work there, and the roof was gone. So today I'm going to be doing this trailer. We're gonna do it red with a lot of pearls, metallics, and then I'm gonna do some custom flake that I got some leftover stuff to make it look nice, just to make it pop, make it shine, give it a whole different look, you know, so it can look presentable. That's what I got going on today. Let me show you guys my plan here. So this is the red that I'm going to be doing, which this red here is the one to paint. So we had this leftover for a while now, so I'm going to be using that. And all the metal flakes, where are they? Where did you put them at? That I'm going to be using just to make it look real nice, make it pop. So I wonder where you put him. So yep, that's what I got going on today, everybody. Here at the shop, and then after here I'll be at the farm, you know. Same. Keep up, you know. So I love ranching, but I also love my job. Definitely give you guys an update later when I get back home and when we're done with this trailer. See ya. Bye bye. Hey, what's up, everybody? So we got the trailer ready for paint right now. We got it all. We put some primer. Also, we fixed the bodywork in the bottom. We did some undercoating to make it last longer, and we painted the top yesterday. And right now, we're getting ready to spray the whole thing. So I'll give you guys an update and show you guys how this beautiful cattle trailer is coming together for the farm, for Windy Hill Farm. Thank you for watching, guys. See you, talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey, what's up, everybody? So we hear a little cheese today. We're picking up some straw, me and Jose. Yeah. Straw, we use it for, obviously we use straw for everything, but we use it for bedding for the pigs, the horses, the calves, steers, the dogs, some of the chickens. So we use bedding for a lot. So that's what we got going on today. And also I wanted to show you guys how the trailer came out today. Obviously we were painting it earlier, so I made a video on that. So it's done. Looks great. Put a lot of clear coat, put some metallics on it, so it looks fantastic. Oh yeah, a whole different trailer for sure. So that's what we got going on today. We're gonna load up I don't know, as many as we can, probably fill up the whole trailer. That way we don't have to come back and have enough to like maybe winter, or for the whole winter. Hopefully not the whole winter, maybe the whole summer, and starting the winter probably be able to fit like 80 to 90 bales in here. We'll see. So that's what I got going on, everybody. So we'll definitely do another video later and let you guys know how we're doing out here. We hear a little cheese, and this is where we get somewhere. We buy some hay and get bedding, straw, and then some calves we buy from them once in a while. So keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like and comment and whatever you feel. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.